Now let's talk about find and replace. What if you have a medium to complicated data sheet full of data, full of text, and you need to find a certain text or replace a certain text throughout your worksheet or throughout your tab? So we have here a template project planner by Excel. We can use it as a data sheet to showcase how to do the find and replace. Let's say you have a very complicated big sheet and you want to find the word activity. Let's say the word activity is buried in your sheet. Then you can click Control F to find and replace. So Control F. Now you can say find what? In this case, I want to find the word activity. Let me rewrite that just to showcase for you. You can say either find next or find all. Find next means find the first word activity through the worksheet, and you keep scrolling wherever word activity is showing up, he will highlight it for you. So let's say find next. So he found it here, find next, found it here and here and here and here and so on. Find all, if you click on it, he will show you all the places where you can find the word that you search for along your worksheet. So you can see here which sheet it is and which book it is. So each time you add a tab here, it's called a sheet. You can see a new sheet, and the whole project is called a book. So he can tell you where is that word located on which cell and what is the value inside of that and so on. So we already found it all. We can go and select any one of these. He will highlight it for you in the worksheet over here. Now for replace, what if we want to replace the word activity? Like I have a mistake that's all over the page, or we had new directions and new requirements, and whoever asked you to do that sheet or your requirements are changing, then you want to change the word from activity to expense. So find what? We found activity. That's the word that we have already in the sheet. Now we want to change it into expense. I can write down expense. I can write down test. I can write down whatever I want. Anything I want to replace that word with, he will search for the word activity throughout the worksheet and replace it with expense. And he will tell you how many words did he change along the worksheet. So we can click replace all. We already know that we have a several activity word along the worksheet. We want to change those words into expense wherever it is found. I can click on replace all. He say all done. We made 27 replacements. So he found the word activity 27 times and he replaced that with the word expense. And you can see, so now we can click on close. You can see we didn't have activity only. We had activity 1, activity 2, 3, 4. But he only changed the word activity to expense while he kept this number unchanged, which is great and could be handy as you're working towards your project.